Hello, welcome back to the channel. This is Lady B. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing safe. In today's video we are going to be preparing assorted meat. Come guys, let me introduce the ingredients to you. You want to see how I achieve this assorted meat with vegetables? Watch this video to the end. God bless you. So these are the ingredients that I will be using. I have my cow meat, I have my green pepper, yellow bell pepper, I have my toothpick, I have my onion, I have my vegetable oil, I have my mixed spices. In there I have onion, cinnamon, turmeric, garlic, ginger, salt, 1 seasoning cube, rosemarine, thyme, black pepper. So I will go ahead and blend those spices together. Now I will be adding all the ingredients and I will go and blend them together. So I have blended all the spices together. So I will pour everything here. So what I will do, I'm going to marinate with my hand as usual. Marinate everything together, mix properly. Before you do this guys, make sure your hands are clean. So I've done mixing. I'll cover it with this square paper and allow it to be here for 1 hour. So this is it guys. It has been here for 2 hours. So I've added my oil on the saucepan. So that is my oil. I'm going to be adding the meat. So we are going to be frying it on a very low heat. Very low. So I'm going to leave it there to fry. So this is what it looked like now. It has been here on a low heat. So what I will be doing now, I will hide the gas and allow it to now dry. So as you can see, it has really dried. See, so you have to be patient when doing this. It takes a lot of patience. So I'm still going to leave it for some time to still dry more. So it's ready. Look at how it is. So I'll be removing them. I'll be adding the other batch. If you want to get a good result guys, you have to allow it to be on a low heat because I didn't parboil it. I'm I'm just frying it raw, so you have to give it chance to cook well on a low heat to get the best result of these assorted meats. So I like to be there. So this one is ready too. I'm going to be removing it. I didn't allow this one to be too dried, so that I'll give those ones to my children. So this is my bell pepper. I added some salt, so I will be mixing it together so that the salt can be mixed together. So also with my onion. So this is my meat. So what I'll be doing, I'll be adding the onion, one bell pepper, and one meat. Okay. So that is how I'm going to do all. One onion, one bell pepper, one meat. So guys, I'll see you when I'm done. So this is the final look of this assorted meat. Thank you for watching. If you like it, share, subscribe, comment. See you in my next video. Bye.